Techsmith Relay. It's a program that manages your videos. Techsmith. A couple of things that I did like about it was transferring videos directly from my phone to Camtasia was pretty slick, so I'm going to do that. So over here on my phone I have the Fuse app, and I'll open that up. And I have a few videos I already recorded in my library. So say of this one of the bridge, I want to transfer into Camtasia. So I'll take that, and in Camtasia I'll go over to Connect Mobile Device. Okay, so on my phone I'm going to select Camtasia, and it says let's connect to Camtasia, and all you need to do is scan this QR code that you have right there, line it up, and usually it works. Okay, it finally worked. So then it goes ahead and transfers that right over the Wi-Fi, and it will show up directly in Camtasia, which I thought was a really quick, easy way to get all that stuff transferred over. So pretty slick. Some of the other things I liked was in Relay, they had a lot of analytics. You could see who watched your videos and who took the quizzes. I thought that was great. If I were to use it, I'd really want to make sure I set up the video so it includes the question in the video, so there's a little bit of planning that would have to go ahead of making good videos to really use that quizzing feature, especially like asking the question in the video and maybe restating it in text when you do the quiz. So you definitely have to have those questions in mind when you plan out your recording. One of the things I was really frustrated with was when you start the quizzing and you're going in to make the quiz, kind of the first thing it says is when you do it is that you can't move the questions around, which of course then tells me I probably want to move the questions around anyway. So this gets a little bit annoying. So it would have been really nice if you could move that question around, maybe drag this and move it where you want to, rather than having to close that one, figure out where's the exact spot that you want it. So maybe you want it right there, and kind of having to say, okay, pause, that's where I want to add the question. So that kind of bothered me a little bit about how you have to go about placing those questions. I did like the integration with the Fuse app. It was strange that as a student you can't really upload videos to the group. You have to be put in as an administrator, and I kind of thought that was the best way to do it would be for students to use the Fuse app and upload things. And that's not quite how that worked. It's really more of a teachers are going to put apps on there, or put videos on there, and students will go and watch them. And so I thought that was a really missed opportunity for students to be able to share videos privately and not out in the public, and so they don't have to worry about that coming back later. In the classroom, if I was going to use this in my class, I would probably just pull in YouTube videos and maybe do quizzes, but probably just to check to see if they watch the videos or not. I don't think I would really do much more with that. If I were to use it, I'd maybe want some playlisting features, something so I could put together a complete lesson rather than just a video by itself. It would be great to have some sort of text above or below or both with an explanation of what you're supposed to be watching in the video, just to give it some context and maybe a little wrap up afterwards. So that was my review of Techsmith Relay. Thanks for watching.